Hey everyone, welcome to today's Explainer. So we are going to take an absolutely terrifying looking math puzzle today and totally decode it together in under 2 minutes. Seriously, no stress. Let's dive right in.
Okay, look at this absolute monster of an equation. Incredibly daunting, right? Stacked square roots, cube roots, variables everywhere. Honestly, for most of us, this is exactly the kind of thing that makes us just slam the book shut and walk away.
But hold on, how do we actually decode this whole shebang without panicking? If this type of algebra is totally new to you, let me reassure you right now. Literally, anyone can solve this. You just need the secret code.
And we break down that code using something called fractional exponents. Now, to make this super easy to remember, let's use what I like to call the tree analogy. Think of a fraction like a tree. The exponent's power, that's like the leaves, soaring high up top. And the root, well, just like a real tree, the roots go down in the dirt, right on the bottom. It's that simple. Power on top, root on the bottom.
Let's apply that tree rule directly to our puzzle here. Look at the top part, the numerator. It's the square root of x to the fifth. The power is 5, so bam, that goes on top. The root is a square root, which is basically a hidden 2, so that goes on the bottom. It simply becomes x to the power of 5 halves. Now for the denominator, the cube root of x to the fourth. Power 4 on top, root 3 on the bottom. That instantly becomes x to the power of 4/3. And just like that, those super intimidating root symbols are completely gone.
All right, here is the next little secret. Whenever you're dividing terms that have the exact same base, you simply subtract the bottom exponent from the top one. So we just need to subtract 4/3 from 5 halves. To do that, we find a common denominator, which is 6. 5 halves turns into 15/6, and 4/3 becomes 8/6. Okay, easy enough. 15 minus 8.
Leaves us with exactly 7/6. Our x is raised to the power of 7/6, which completely proves that our mystery value of a over b is exactly, undeniably, 7/6. See, just by using our little tree analogy and doing some basic everyday subtraction, we totally decoded the puzzle.
By taking those really intimidating symbols and translating them into a shared language, finding that common denominator, we easily crack the problem. And honestly, it leaves me wondering, where else in life does finding the common denominator make really complex, intimidating challenges suddenly simple? Definitely think about that the next time you face what looks like an impossible problem. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer.